Hello and welcome everyone, this is Less Than a Minute. Which one is correct? At school or in school? The answer is... both are correct. You can say this one and you can say that one, but they mean different things. And let's try to understand that. The word at school means you're physically at school, inside the school right now with my classmates and the teacher. For example, someone is asking about my brother, so I say, my brother is at school. He finishes the classes at 3 p.m. Number 2, in school. In school means that you're studying in general. For example, my brother's working while he's in school. So that means here, he's working while he's studying in general. He's in college or he's in high school or whatever. So in school, studying in general. At school, physically at school. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day and stay safe.